getting the whirly birds installed on the shed. There is no way you could pay me to get up there. I would fall off and hurt myself very quickly. Thank you, Scout. So Scout's almost finished. He's just doing the last one now. Some skylights. Wonder how the rain will go with that. Looking pretty good. Alright, so it's been a few days since I filmed anything. I was on the K25, but since then there's slightly less corollars in my yard, so there's still 2.5. 1.5 went to scrap the other day, so I'll put the photos in. So I'm cleaning up and trying to work out which bits I need for the 25. So I've just gone through that greeny blue car. There's no parts on that I need. All the parts are gone, but the rust cuts are gone. So then we've got this, which is the back half. I'm going to use that for that one, which is the early flat front one that I was talking about. So I was originally going to fix this one instead of 25. And then this one over here, which is Bonnie's old car, so that's been rear-ended. That's pretty rust-free and has heaps of good parts on it. So I'm going to try and strip that today. And then we can use those parts to fix the 25. So I need like a few rust cuts, and I'm going to keep all the parts, obviously. So with the 25, we've got the rust here, rust in the roof, and then the wheel well, and then the front's actually pretty good. So there's not a whole lot of parts I need for it, but it's always good to have a whole car for rust repairs. And then another thing that I need to fix is the front rad support, because of this big hole here, so let's do that. Another thing to mention is all the golf parts that Luke has got from his car. So we've got to go through this weekend and sort out what he's keeping and what he's not keeping. Unfortunately it bucketed down yesterday after I moved it all outside. So we're going to go through all that. And then I've also got rid of a bunch of stuff that was around here, just scrap steel and stuff. So I also need to work out what I'm doing with that chassis, but we'll work that out later because that's an engineering problem. So we've got all this stuff and then the Vento as well. So hopefully we can get this running in a couple of weeks. Wade, a Patreon, thank you very much. So I've also got 2 new Patreons as well, called Hayden and then Wade as well. So shout out to those guys. But Wade in particular, he's from SA, but he's currently living in Victoria. He apparently has a ECU for this with the immobilizer turned off, seeing as we're struggling to find someone to actually turn it off for us. So he's going to try and get that to us, hopefully this weekend, and we'll try and put that in and see if we can get this thing running. And then he's got a bunch of other crank angle sensors and all that sort of stuff if we get stuck. So then on the cleanup journey, which doesn't look like I've done anything, I've started pulling apart the Stout. So I just want a few bits off of this for mine, so just keep pulling this apart as well. And then I've got to move all of these pallet racking lengths back over there somewhere, and then open this thing, get the benches out of there, which I haven't done yet, and then I can get my wagon in there and just slowly just keep cleaning up. So that's my main priority at the moment, is just clean up. So we'll see how we go. This looks like crap though at the moment. Nice.
I'm not going anywhere near that. How far under does that go? Oh, nice. No, not too bad. Before you do anything, give it a wobble, see if it falls off. Not on that side, for heck's sake. Call me M. Night Jack-O-Lantern. The twist is the Corollas never get done. Do one of these. Big shot of the back of your head.
Oh, excellent. You had a really nice, big, brand new shed to work in. Oh, wait.
It's alright, you're just working in the mud, going back to your roots.
Yeah, literally.
Working on rusty Corollas instead of Volkswagens.
Ow.
Walk it off.
Ow. That was unpleasant.
Are you okay?
It's my tool's fault.
Yeah, it's always the tool's fault. It might be the tool operating the tool, but...
Yeah, well, that's a tool, right?
So what are you undoing here, Jeffrey?
The last crossmember bolt. Taking the front end out.
Oh, it's brake lines. Nice. How many wheat bix do you eat a day?
6. Actually.
That's just gonna tip backwards now.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, that's just gonna go backwards, hey? Yeah, you didn't do anything. You just put it down. Alright, YouTube, vote in the live poll. Does Jeff need this diff? Support this man on Patreon so he doesn't have to hoard his stuff anymore.
Paul came back and said I needed this diff.
Oh, you do need the diff.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you got 30,001 vote.
Yeah.
Emily, you're supposed to vote no.
One like and I'll keep this diff. Likes it himself.
Yeah, that's right. Hit that like button if you want a diff. And subscribe if you want to go into the draw to win a diff.
Quality content. Redbacks.
Look at those redback. That's not even a redback, it's just a spider. It's just a black spider.
It's a blackback.
Squish me, spider mummy. Can you just not? 2 hours later. So Jeffrey's come up with a smart idea to just tie it to the truck, something that we should have just done to start with. The other part where your strap slipped.
No, that didn't happen.
No, I mean, sorry, hypothetically. If you work for WorkSafe, it didn't happen.
This is all CGI.
Yeah, this is CGI. Computer generated idiots.
That worked.
Done, boy.
Take it off. Take it all off. Oh yeah. Dun 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 dun. Way to wear your gloves and your PPE before you do something. Sparks and tricks.
That's alright. I'm just gonna sit under this bit of car. If it kills me, I'll leave everything to Jeff, including my debts. Because you should have been wearing your puppet. camera if you're watching this. This is not a ratchet.
Alright, so we've got the 20 stripped and on the back of the truck. It is needing rust cuts, but it's on there, so at least I can cut it up and then take it by myself. Thank you, Jackson. It was very much easier. Very much easier.
Very much easier.
Very much easier with some help, so thanks for that. So I'm going to cut the front end off and probably a few little rust cuts from the back for the 25, and that's about it really. There's not a whole lot on this that we can use.